Girl, thank you for the treat. It was really good. I loved the food.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She banged the door like crazy. Was busy with your laundry. Think I'm done? Don't worry. Just put on your attires gently and move out quietly.
Do you know what he did to me? He's the main reason as to why I'm back in Uganda.
Come on! Why are you behaving like this?
See how I'm looking now? You promised me everything, now you're changing. See now you're like rats and cats.
I warned you about that lady.
Ah, don't start.
But you didn't listen.
Come on.
What?
I saw Troy yesterday.
Oh my god, Kisha is starting.
I saw a chat, but I like it. I'm happy for you guys.
Yeah, girl.
You expecting me going around teething with you? Out. We are done. I said we are done. I said move out!
I'm so grateful to have you.
By the way, olungi omukazi tewuba kungulu.